All right, so this is just going to be a really quick demonstration of this borescope unit. We're going to be using it under our refrigerator. It's also really dirty down there, so we're going to see how well we can navigate down there using its articulating capability. What I love about this unit, aside from the big screen, is it's got a very thin cable. It's much thinner than the other ones I've seen. And then look how tiny the camera head is. It's exactly the same diameter as the cord. Just super tiny. My camera can almost not focus on it. It allows you to get into really tight spots. One feature that's going to be really handy right now is it has a little tripod that pops out, a little stand here, so it'll sit where you can see it when you're trying to maneuver the camera. All right, and I definitely want to show you the footage quality here because it's quite impressive. So let me try and configure this camera a little bit closer to the unit. So here we are under the fridge now. And something else that's really great about this unit is its focus distance. There's a lot of dust fibers down there that are getting in our way, but they're not obscuring our vision because we're able to make out the individual fibers. On other borescopes, if you get too close to something, it just becomes impossible to know what's going on. This preserves a lot of detail. So here we're going to use its articulating function, and I'm just going to move it as smoothly as possible to give you an idea of what that's like. You can kind of move it, I want to say maybe 3 degrees at a time, and it'll go all the way back toward itself. Let's see. Here you can see it's pointed back toward ourselves here. It'll do a full 210 degrees. It does more than 180. What I'm seeing here is all of the coils on the bottom of our fridge that do the cooling need to be cleaned. It is very dirty down there. Being able to articulate the camera up toward it means that I don't really need to remove the faceplate on the fridge here in order to find this information. I can just set it in and look up. You can see how dirty it is, but yeah, definitely need to get in there for a cleaning. What I like the most about this borescope versus other ones I've tried is the response time. You can see when I move this, there's very little delay between the camera moving and the actual input. It makes maneuvering a lot easier. And also just the overall image quality is really nice. Definitely a huge thumbs up. Big thanks to the brand for sending this out to review.